This could be the car for you. The 2025 Kia K5. Make the journey all it can be in this stylish K5. Advanced safety features, a roomy, luxurious cabin, and sleek athletic lines set this upscale sedan apart from the rest. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls. Security and convenience blend beautifully with premium style in this elegant K5. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.